The 89th Texas legislative session starts in just 1 month, and for the first time in 14 years, Representative Price will not represent District 87 after not seeking re-election. I sat down with Price for his exit interview as he reflected on his time in office. With 14 years of service to Texas District 87, Representative Price is most proud of the work that has benefited his constituents in the district.
Protecting and developing our water resources, making health care more accessible through bills that I authored, like removing barriers for the use of telehealth and telemedicine, increasing behavioral health and mental health care to Texans across the state that need that care, making that more accessible.
Price shared that it's vital for rural communities to have the proper resources and access to quality education and affordable health care to have economic development opportunity.
Things like broadband expansion, that was a real big issue, a priority of mine the last several sessions. And that is critical to maintaining the vitality and a robust economy in rural areas. And so I'm proud of it, but I also really have optimism that those efforts will continue in the future.
Another focus for Price was supporting public education and higher education.
These institutions in our area have been growing and benefiting from policies that we put into place and our ability to appropriate adequate resources.
With school choice likely to pass in the next session, Price says he hopes it does not have a negative impact on rural school districts in the Panhandle and across the state.
Their resources through the appropriations process will not be negatively affected, that they receive what they need to receive in order to educate their children and their students.
Price says he felt like it was the right time to step away from office and he didn't feel like there were any loose ends. He'll be able to spend more time with his family. The 89th Texas legislative session begins January 14th. Caroline Fairley was elected to represent District 87. We have more of Price's interview at myhighplains.com.